Yo, what's happening? Welcome to the channel. My name's Dylan. We don't do a lot of this sort of stuff on my channel, but today I got this MacBook Pro 16-inch space gray M2 Pro chip. Yeah, all the good things. And I thought, while we've got it in immaculate condition, before I destroy it, let's very peacefully, very quietly unbox it. So there you go. That is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. It's delightful. It's quite heavy. It's feels nice, sturdy, and robust. I've been procrastinating buying it for ages. I was about to buy the M1 just before Christmas. Procrastinated for a month. I call that professionally holding on. And then, I don't know, where M2 chip comes out. If you're new here and you haven't seen any of my stuff, go and take a look. Go and have a nosy. Feel free to meander through the random videos on my channel. If you're interested in this Mac thing and you want to Mac thing, it's a computer. If you're interested in this MacBook computer and you want to hear more about it, I did a full podcast episode where I basically just yawned on for 50 minutes about the history of me owning loads of Macs and how I eventually ended up buying this one. Maybe that'll interest you. Maybe you'll enjoy it. Maybe it'll just kill some time while you're waiting on a bus. There's a link to it at the end of this video. But look, thanks so much for watching. Maybe I'll catch you in another video. Laters.